pack opening. Hold on.
Yeah, no, I leave Saturday morning, then I go up to Fort Campbell.
How many packs are you gonna open?
100.
A Hondo. No shot. Let me see this shit.
Hold on. Let me add tags. Dine.
But I'm gonna jump off of here. Good
Okay.
playing with you, JPEX. Good playing with
Yeah.
you, Noah.
Later,
Hey.
man, later.
Later. GG's Owen.
Love you.
Mwah.
Later.
Love you. Okay. Here we go. Buy. Wait, I already did that. Cancel transaction. How do I buy packs
Hey.
again?
Do one at a time.
One at a time? Here we go. For real. Just one at a time, bro? It has to be at least like 3 or 4. Or 5. 5 at a time? That's 20 pack openings? That's 20 times? Did I do 5?
Up to you.
You think I should do 1 at a time? I'll do 1 at a time. Chat. Should I do 1 at a time or 5? I'm not doing 50. Hell no.
Oh, look at chat.
Okay, bro. Alright, I guess chat says 1. Holy. There's a little bridge calling my name if I don't get an heirloom here. Saw a little gold flash there, but nothing came out of it. I'm not feeling good.
I'm good though.
I'll also stain my reaction if I get an heirloom, so you can catch up the stream. I still haven't got a gold. Yet to get a gold. Whatever. Is this considered gambling?
Funny 'cause, like, yeah. But this,
Yeah, I guess that's their argument. They don't really get anything of value. They just get some cosmetic. Can't really sell that.
oh, it's sick ass skin, bro.
Yeah, that's fire actually.
That's actually fire.
You sure I shouldn't do 5? I feel like I'll get more gold items if I do like. I don't know. I did 50 that one time and got like 8. I should have gotten 4 by now. got one. I just give me an heirloom, please, bro. How many packs is it to get confirmed? 500. Done for. It's taking a long time.
Not even 5, you're through 50 packs.
Alright, let's take a little breather. So far, there's been nothing but garbage. And I need an heirloom. Please! Karambit, bro. Karambit. Alright, I just used all the bad luck. Now give me all the good luck. Come on now. Alright, once I get to 50, I'll start doing 5. That's 10 packs. The way that thing walks away, bro, it actually gets me mad. Right at the end. Oh my god. Any thoughts so far? Thoughts?
Doc, you'll get it in the next 50.
Oh yeah? Did I just do a 50 pack, like opening? Open 50 at once? Oh, that's kind of fire. It looks like Naruto.
vibe?
Naruto, yeah. That's fire, actually. I might run. Nah, I like my low profile. That's fire. That's a good skin. That's a epic too.
Low profile way better.
Well, obviously.
That's when he's all dappered up, right?
No, it's the one with the
Run
hoodie.
shit.
Yeah, true. All right, what should I do for the last 50? Spark bonus meter. Chat, what should I do? Should I do all 50 at once? Chat, what should I do? All 50? What do you think? I'm down to do all 50. Just be done with it and go to sleep. Hmm?
Oh shit.
What do you think? Come on, tell me, please.
I wouldn't.
Okay, bro.
What's up?
Well, it's too late now.
Did you do it?
No, no.
Why did? Oh,
I did 5.
when you open up.
That's alright. Kinda garbage. I can do max actually. Yep.
Five at a time.
I just see all blue, bro. It's nice. Alright. I don't think I'm gonna get it. I'm just gonna do max. Yeah, yeah, tough luck.
Tough. That's a cool alter skin. What's the
That's
frame?
tragic.
Oh, what?
Oh,
What's the
it's the Maggie one. The Nazi Maggie one.
That shit is crazy, dude.
I can do the full like Nazi.
You should do it.
I still have 10. 17. 17, bro. 17.
Fuck it, dude.
17. Actually, how many packs is the what's in the there's still the event?
Oh yeah, but that shit's like 600. You gotta click event, sweetheart.
700. Oh my god. All right. Are those how many packs do I need? Okay, not even close. Alright, I'm gonna open the first the anniversary one first. I get the gayest, I mean, the non-coolest one. Wish you could do like sets of 5 instead of sets of 1. Please. There is a 1. There is a less than 1% probability. Okay. What should I do, max or just 1 by 1?
Fuck it, max.
Alright, cool.
You got a lot of gold though, holy shit.
Yeah. 600. Look at that gold. Oh. It's trash, but you know, it's cool. I guess this is cool. I don't have a gold skin for that. Alright, hold on. Let me get one more.
100 more. It's guaranteed, bro. You just open all 100 at once.
Hold on. Hold on. Calm down. Ooh, that's actually fire.
Mid.
Alright, hold on.
You could have got the R3 skin too.
Shut up, bro. Alright, do you want me to?
Death box.
No, I'm not doing that. I'm actually not. Alright.
Did I talk you? Oh shit, I did not talk you out of it. How much do you need for event packs? No way. Fuck it, dude.
Yo,
You blocked the fucking.
5 or 6? It's like alright skin. No, Alright. Actually. Alright, I'm gonna take a little sleep, bro.
Oh my god.
Wait, but there's 10 more. There's 10 more. There's 10 more. Opium. And one more of these.
Event. Quick event, bro. How many more do you need?
Like a third, like 50, bro. Like 25. And they're all
Wait, no,
10.
It tells you how many packs you need.
26 more. $260, bro. I'm not doing that. Hey, that's garbage.
Huh.
Dude, not banned? My chat.
Likely banned.
Hmm. Hmm.
That's a part of the thing. Alright, last 10, I guess. Oh, there we Ah,
Oh, you got it.
it's there. Oh.
Oh, he saves money. He saves money in the end. Oh yeah. You buying the Karambit? Didn't you just use your exotic shards too, so you can't get like the color you want? Wait, the red one's cool though. The red one's super cool. That red one's my favorite.
This. You're never gonna see this again. This is so nice. Hey, hype in the chat right now. Let's get some gifted subs.
He needs it, bro.
Please. Look at that, bro. I was here. This is captured in eternity now. Let me take a little screenshot of this. Let's set that as the thumbnail. This video.
Alright, let's see. Let's go see you buy the Karambit now.
Yeah, hold on, I'm saving thumbnail video. Thumbnail. Pack. Cool. Easy thumbnail. I'll have to work for it. Oh, last one. Last one. Oh. Raft.
500, hey,
a mythic.
499 more. You'll get another one.
Hey, I'm low-key thinking I should get this R9.
Actually, make me sick, bro. I dare you to click on it and see what happens.
Hmm. Ooh. Yo, easy octane skin.
Octane.
Yo, look at this fire animation though.
That's actually imagine getting
Ooh.
spam finished by that.
Yo.
Yo.
Yeah,
imagine
nah,
getting
screw
spam
that.
finished by
Hey,
that,
what's up?
dude, that's-
Coffee? you make it? Yeah. Mmm. That's fire. All right.
You get it yet?
Okay. Okay. All right. You ready?
Yep.
It's like tomorrow. New, like the new fire, like. Sure shouldn't get this.
That shit's so fucking ugly, bro.
All right, bro.
That shit's huge. son.
Or.
The red octane prototype.
I don't even like it. I like the green one better.
I'd actually be so pissed off if you fucking got anything other than the cranberry right now.
Hold on, I just need to make sure it doesn't glitch. Oh wait, I can get the base serpent. Look at this.
That shit ugly too.
It's kind of cool. Oh. Wrapped. Oh. Now, which one of these I can just buy like some? It's only $20. Shut up.
You have to get the death box though. You have to get the death box first. Yeah.
Is it in the Is it in the battle pass?
Exotic swords? I'm not sure.
I already got the
Yes,
exotic
it
shard.
is. Oh shit.
Whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm going into game.
Go
Real
Fire
quick.
Angel Pillars. One
Oh
more
wait,
game?
I need to equip it. Wrapped. I'm about to set that on everything real quick. Can I mass set it?
No, you gotta go.
That's stupid.
No, it is.
Huh?
It really is.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Dude. Look at that. You see that?
Yeah, that shit's sick, dude. But obviously, you keep Octane soon.
Nah, 100%, but
For Octane. But like everyone else,
dude, that is fire. Oh, wait, hold on. What's the emotes for it? I need to find my emote button. It's in, I think. Yeah. Oh my god, it's actually so. You see that long? Oh my god. Hold on.
big
Dude, look at. Oh my god.
flame. That shit's sick, bro.
Dude. What? This one's my favorite. Look at this. Oh.
Yeah, that one's really cool. I like that one.
Nah, look at the end of it.
that one.
This one right here. No. Yeah, this right here. No. Where's the one that... Yeah, this one. Ooh! The slide on the... Look at that!
Oh, that one. Oh, I haven't seen that one.
That one's fire. But I punch from my foot now, look.
That's in your hand.
No, look at my screen. Look at my screen. Hold on. You see that?
Dude,
You can see my
Oh, yeah.
my rabbit foot.
it switches.
Ooh. Oh, it's kind of. If I jump, it kicks you. I think it does it always do that? Bro, this is fire.
I've seen a big eye creation where like, she comes moving down like an axe.
This is so like sweaty.
Tossing down my halo.
Oh man. I never have to be a little like. I could have had an R3 in this, bro. I don't care about the R3 though. I don't use that gun.
That shit's fucking sick, though.
Ooh. Hey, look at my screen. Look at my screen.
I'm going. Hold on.
Look how I run with it, with the stim. I don't know how I feel about that.
That looks dumb, bro.
I know. Thank God I'm not gonna use this on Octane, but
That shit would piss me off.
I don't know why he points it downwards. You should... Besides that, this is a fun.
Oh, that's got a kick. This upgrade is gonna give me a serious leg up. Whoa, I'm at the max
I
level.
can go to sleep happy that I didn't
But you
waste.
never played Octane.
Yeah, but I do, bro. I might now just so I can play with.
Must go faster.
I just didn't like how other characters felt with no like just hands. I don't know. It makes you feel like you're garbage.
Play someone
No.
else. Try it out.
Like
I couldn't leave so many treasures behind.
Oh, you
I
don't
don't-
have it equipped.
yeah. I might just
All of them?
yes.
Whoa.
Do the same thing.
Hmm. Let's first equips. I need to get the death box too. I'm just gonna buy it, bro. But at this point, it's $20. Or should I get?
You need 30, because then you need the base. And then any other color is another 30.
No, it's only 10 for the red one, red box. What would you get? I think I like just the base ruby,
I would just keep the red one. I like the red one a lot.
and it's only $10.
And I wouldn't even get a death plus.
You wouldn't?
Nah, like, I'd probably get an exotic shards like for free. But I wouldn't buy anymore. But not my money. You sharing these?
Hold on. Well, I got it now, so it is what it is. Every time I steal your kill, you'll see it.
Huh? What is it? Stop the deal, Valentina? Doesn't hit the same.
not put this that? Yeah, I can. Oh my god, dude, this is gonna be garbage. Through each one. Oh my god.
That's so stupid.
Customize. Oh, it's already equipped in. Alright, I'm just gonna go from left to right, I guess. Oh, wait, no, it auto equips for everyone, I think. That's one, not the.
Don't you have to hit apply?
Wait, is it not equipping? No, it is. Oh. Hello? I don't know how I feel about like big fat characters. Oh, nice, I guess. I'd rather that than nothing. Ooh. Hold on, I wanna go after this, I wanna go into firing range and look at Wraith with it. Wraith is fine. He has some red characters, so it kinda fits him. Actually. This is the trashest experience by like ever. Why would they not make it so you can auto equip it? Actually stupid. I'm never buying packs again though. I don't need them. Actually, like no more packs unless I get them. I don't even need a battle pass. Needed. Alright. Go into thing. I want to see Wraith. Fire.
Wait, did I finish my challenges yet? Bro, if I didn't, actually. Oh my fucking god. Let's play one game.
Okay.
Survive 30 ring closings. I have 29 out of 30. We'll go fire range real quick.
Oh shoot, did I not? I just want to see Wraith, and then I'm going back to Octane. But I still. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Nah, it feels right with Wraith. Wait, she like just like. Oh.
Go Gibby.
Oh no.
The lifeline. I just have lifeline.
Breathe easy, I'm coming in.
Oh. Nah. I feel like a god playing, like. Oh my god. Nah, actually fire.
Gibby.
All the skinny characters are sick with. I'm gonna do Caustic first.
I control death. It
Even
does
oh,
not
well, it looks
control
kind of
me.
big with Caustic. Like it looks.
Thought you got little hands or what?
I don't know. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see Gibby.
I'm back in action, boys. Let's do this,
Yeah,
fellas.
I don't know. Look at my look, you want like it's just giant. Like his arm is as big,
Calling the
as big
airstrike.
as a knife.
Airstrike.
That shit's
Oh.
Go lifeline again.
I never quit. Remember that.
Oh yeah, that shit's sick.
Oh, just and whenever you move forward and back, it like it flips. Oh, nah, you do. Unlucky. I'm just- Let's see. Oh, crypto.
Thanks for not
Crypto's-
giving up on me.
If Kuben Blisk couldn't kill me in the Thunderdome, do you really think a flesh wound here could?
Here I come, back from the sky.
It's kind of weird. Just because of his skin.
Pathfinders?
Yeah. It looks small. It looks good in like the ratio of arm and hand to knife, but it's just kind of like the skin itself kind of makes it look weird. Like floating organs.
If you're wondering about an afterlife, there is.
This is his arms are too little. I don't know how I like looking at it. Look how small his arm. Like it's so skinny. His bones.
Nah, here's the
Good to be back.
What you call it? Heirloom for his character is fucking badass.
The Reaper.
I'm back,
But yeah.
fresh from a nap.
Let me kill you real quick.
Go on,
You guys?
like, hey,
Thanks. Let's get back to it.
Sure, I'm just gonna kill you. Hold on. I just want to death box.
Buster down.
Oh, look at that. That's not a big change, but you know, for $10 comparatively, like. I hit my own shield?
it's my shield, bro. What are you talking about?
Alright, well. Got the air ready.
This time,
Taking shots.
enemy down. Reached a new level. Got an upgrade waiting. Getting shot at. What a rush! Now for the right choice.
Here, now.
I downed an enemy.
Oh my god, I can't even do a finisher use.
I'm down.
Oh.
I downed an enemy.
Backpack here. Level 3.
I'm down. Getting shot at. I've been
I can't
down.
see you behind all the game is so bright sometimes.
I've been down. Getting shot at. I've been down. I downed an enemy.
Here, now.
Taking shots.
Snipe.
Kidding.
I'm down.
I don't know why you don't spawn with mythic armor if you.
I've been down.
God, dude. I'm stuck on R9. Actually smart.
With a firearm here.
I'm taking shots.
Hooligan here.
What?
I've been down.
Mom didn't raise no soap. Struth, I'm down. Looking for loot here.
Maggie's back.
Ah, you're so dead there.
Being shot.
Oh my god, dude. Okay.
I'm like loud.
Yup, double. Super tryhard.
No matter how. No respect. Our foe's weapon overheated. Smart bullets hit a foe. I've overheated their firearm. Firing on our foes.
Oh my god.
That foe is fallen.
Ah, yo, this is some John Wick type. Yo, that's hard. That's hard. You can't tell me that's not hard. Like me.